Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a cool macrame pattern called alternating spiral knots. First, we're going to take the 4 strings here on the left end and make a half square knot. So we take the string on the end, cross it over the 2 in the middle to form this loop. The string on the other end goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. Pull it tight. And then to start spiraling, we just keep repeating that exact same thing. And we're going to do this 8 times total. Next, we move on and repeat the same process with our next group of 4. Repeat again using our next section of 4. Now, to start our first alternating knot, we're going to take 2 strings from each previous spiral knot. And then we're going to make new spiraling knots the same way by taking the string on the end to cross over the 2 in the middle. The string on the other end goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then we pull that tight. And then we just keep repeating that same pattern just as we did up above. Just like that. And so now we repeat the same thing with the next 2 strings from our center spiral and the 2 strings on the end of our right hand spiral. How you make alternating spiral square knots. It's a very simple yet beautiful pattern that will look beautiful in all kinds of macrame projects. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired you. Thank you for watching.